Alex? Have you heard that word before, author?
Yeah.
An author?
Yeah.
What is an author? Alex, what's an author?
Somebody who writes the words.
Somebody who writes the words. How about an illustrator?
Ooh.
Come on it.
Someone who writes the pixels.
Someone who does the pictures, right? So do you know who the author of The Very Hungry Caterpillar is?
Eric Carle.
Eric Carle. How about the illustrator? Does it say pictures by?
No.
No. So who do you think did the pictures of this story?
Eric Carle. Eric Carle. It's just like Sun and Moon.
So it is just like Sun and Moon. So you think that Eric Carle wrote the words and the pictures?
Yes.
Okay. So I have another question for you. Why are there pictures in a book? Why not just words? In some chapter books there are just words, right? Why do you think there are pictures and words in some books? Think about it for a minute. Why do you think there are pictures and words? Ella?
To show what's happening.
To show what's happening.
So I was gonna say.
Okay, Marusa, why are there
Miss Brown?
pictures and words?
Because sometimes you don't know what it means and you need to look at the pictures to know what the word is about.
Okay, so sometimes you don't understand the words,
Yes.
the pictures help you?
Pop out!
He started to look for some food.
Hey, this is little paper.
Now, there's no words, so he started to look for some food. Apple, pears, these things. I don't know what these things are. Strawberries,
I don't know words. Pears.
oranges.
Pears. We like the pears.
So on these pages, there were no words.
But there used to be words.
There used to be words, but I covered them up. There are no words, they're just pictures. What did we take away from the story by taking away the words? Alex?
The words.
We took away the words, but what did you miss? What did you not know by taking away the words? Ella?
The day that he ate the food.
The day that he ate the food. It told us right here, he started to look for some food, and then it showed us some food, so we know that he probably ate them, but we didn't know when he ate them. Because the words say, on Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. You have another thing?
Yeah, because you like to know which part of the apple thing. Because on there it says he ate 2 apples.
Because on here it says he ate one apple.
And 2 apples.
Oh, he ate through the apple instead of the whole apple. Good, good. What about on here with the pears? What are we missing? What do we not know if we don't know the words?
What day? Sunday? When the caterpillar ate the food.
When the caterpillar ate through the food. You know what else I was thinking about? We also don't know that as he's eating, he's still hungry. Because the words tell us, but he was still hungry. Do we know that he's still hungry if we take away the words?
No.
No. Okay, so the words are important, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about, so he's eaten through the oranges.
It's fine.
Ellie, you have something else to add before I go on?
We don't even know how many pieces of food he's eating.
We don't know, we would have to count them, right? But if we do look at the words, then we don't have to count the oranges. We can just see, oh, he ate through 5 oranges, right? Okay, so the next page, I've taken away the pictures. On Sunday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, 1 slice of watermelon, and that night, he had a stomach ache.
Why can we see the bottom?
Now, I've read the words. So we know what he ate. But I took away the pictures. What information are we missing by taking away the pictures? Simriti? What do you not know if we take away the pictures?
What is the food?
Okay, so what the food looks like? You mean like what exactly it is? Because you're hearing the name, but maybe you don't know what a sausage is.
Yes.
Okay, Marissa?
Oh, you don't know how it looks on the pictures?
So you don't know how the food might look? Uh-huh. Monet?
No, maybe they're meaning something else, but you don't know it for sure if it's something else or the same thing, you know?
Very good. So you might hear the word and you might think it's one thing, but they mean it's a different thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Ella?
We don't see how the caterpillar feels after he finished eating all of that.
Oh, we don't see how the caterpillar feels. The words say that he had a stomach ache, but at the end over here, it shows the caterpillar, and it shows that he does not feel good at all.
Can I see?
His face is miserable.
That's not a vocabulary word.
It is a vocabulary word.
Hands on your head.
What if you didn't know what the word stomachache meant? Would that make sense to you?
No.
But if you didn't know the word stomachache and you were able to look at the picture, would you understand?
Yes.
Yes, you would understand. Okay, let's read the rest of the story just because we love this story. Okay. So, we've been talking about how both the pictures and the words are really important in a story, right? Okay, so we're going to do a free write, but I did a free write to give you an example of what I would like you to do. Okay, so I wrote a little story, and I'm going to read you the story that I wrote, and I'm going to show you the picture. And then I'm going to ask you some questions about what the story told you and what the picture told you. Okay? So my story is, one day I rode my pink bike to the park. I like to go to the park because I can run and play. Sometimes I see my friends at the park.
But this
And there's the picture.
That's you.
So, what can you learn from listening to the words that's not in the picture? That's not in the picture. Monet?
It says that you meet your friend but in the picture it doesn't show anyone except you.
Good. So I said in the story that I like to meet my friends at the park, but in my picture I don't have my friends. Okay? Marissa, what can you learn from the words that is not in the picture?
How she's riding her bike to the park.
I'm riding my bike to the park. Is my bike in the picture?
No.
So if I didn't read the words and I just looked at the picture, would I know that I rode my bike to the park?
No.
Okay. Is there anything else that you can learn just from the words that is not in the picture? Alex?
We can't see her running.
You can't see me running and playing at the park. Okay.
What?
What?
See you playing because you're on a string.
Oh, you can see me playing, but you can't see me running.
I'm saying I don't see you running.
Very good.
That's so cool.
Very good. Okay. So what can you learn from the picture that is not in the words? What can you learn from the picture that I did not say in my words? Monet?
In the picture it has the sun shining, but on the word it doesn't say the sun was shining.
Very good. In my picture the sun is shining, but in my words, in my story, I did not talk about the sun shining. Ella?
When you're reading the story, it didn't say there was a swing.
When I was reading the words, I did not say that there was a swing. Do you understand what I'm talking about when I'm saying that there's some things that you learn from the words and some things that you learn from the pictures, and that both the words and the pictures are important?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Can I do it?
What I am going to ask you to do is a free write. In our free write journals, I will pass out your journals. And I want you to write a story. I want you to do the words first, please. The words first. And after you do your words, I want you to draw a picture and include some details that we might not know by just reading your words. Okay? If you don't know how to spell something, what would I like you to do?
Try your best.
Try.